Hey everyone, welcome to Comics with Bueller. As always, I'm Bueller. Today's your preview video for all new comics coming to comic shops and online for October 2nd, 2024. We got about 200 books, everything from Boom, Image, Dynamite, you name it, we got it. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, subscribe right now. It does help us out quite a bit. As you can see, I am at Dynamite. This is my backdrop. Usually it's something like in the forest or on the lake or something like that, but today I'm actually at Dynamite headquarters. We're gonna be doing some interviews today and a bunch of stuff because I'm here all week, so check that out. We're also doing the claim sale on Thursday as usual at 6 p.m. Eastern time, so join us for that, and we'll have our comic shop spotlight at the end of the video. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's take a look at the books. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, we're off and running with Barbarella. Number 1, cover A by Dynamite Comics. Cover B, people have been waiting for this one. Cover C for Barbarella. I'm supposed to be interviewing the team for Barbarella here pretty soon. Here is the D cover, the cosplay cover, and then we have the blank cover, cover E. Draw your own conclusion on there. Red Sonja, Death and the Devil. Number 2, cover A, and cover B. Cover C, I interviewed the writer of this one just the other week. Robbie said this is a pretty good book from Pop Culture Philosopher, so I gotta believe him, you know. There is the cosplay cover, one of my favorites. Vampirella Dark Reflections, number 5, cover A, and cover B, and cover C for that one. Moving on, we got Lilo and Stitch, number 5. Looks like it's finally gonna hit the shelves. The A cover and the B cover. Looks like they're having a good time, right? Here is the C cover and one last D cover for Lilo and Stitch. Deadly Trails, number 2. I keep on putting this in there because I'm hoping it comes out. I want it. Daredevil, number 14, the main cover on the Marvel now. The Doom variant. We got a lot of Doom variants this week. Keep track. See how many there are. The Bazadul variant. Here is the Deadpool number 7 main cover. There's the Doom variant, so we're up to 2 so far. The Bagley variant. The Momoko variant. The Koblish variant. The 1 in 25 incentive. I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but I'm kind of on the side of the road on a busy highway, so if you can hear some noise in the background, my apologies. The Zerdy variant. Let's have some burgers and fries. The Zhang variant, that's pretty cool looking. And the Tan variant, Homage. We all know. Get Fury, number 6. Just one cover for that one. Heard it's a pretty good book. Ghost Rider, Robbie Reyes Special, number 1. The main cover. The Sandoval variant. And one more for that one. The Gonzo variant. That's kind of cool looking. I like it. The Immortal Thor, number 16. The main cover. The Doom variant. There's 3. The Casagrande variant. They still call those the Stormbreaker tagline. I don't know if they should keep doing that. Spider-Gwen, the Ghost Spider, number 6. Main cover. The Mock variant. The Doom variant. That's 4. Star Wars Inquisitors, number 4, cover A. I don't think we have to worry about Doom variants on this one. Cover B. And cover C. Star Wars Insurgency Rising, number 1, the main cover, the Battle of Jakku, the Sprouse variant, the Riaz variant, and the 1 in 25 incentive cover for Star Wars. That's it for Star Wars. Back to regular Marvel stuff. Storm, number 1, the main cover, the Lee variant, some really beautiful covers for this one. The Opinia variant, I probably said that wrong. The Logo variant. I got that one right. The Warnick variant. Did we get a Doom one for this one? I don't know. There it is. The Doom. What's going on there? I don't want to know. The 1 in 25 incentive. Well, maybe I do. That's number 5 for the Doom variants. The 1 in 50 incentive. Keep it clean. 1 in 100. The Nakayama variant. That's pretty cool. We're up to 5 Dooms. Okay. Ultimate Black Panther, number 9, the main cover. These kind of have their own universe, so be surprised to see a Doom variant of this one. The Arita variant, the 1 in 25 incentive cover. Ultraman X Avengers, number 2, cover A and cover B. This is by Kyle Higgins, I believe. Venom War, number 3, the main cover. Okay, let's go for number 6. The Jeruso variant. The Crane variant, that's a Venom horse. The Team Dylan variant by Bagley, and also by Bagley, the Team Eddie variant, so you get to pick which one you like the best. The Young variant, the Slinny variant, the 1 in 50 incentive, oh, no Doom. Venom War Spider-Man number 3, cover A and cover B. Wolverine Deep Cut by Chris Claremont, number 4, cover A and cover B for that one. X-Men number 5, the main cover. The Doom variant, there you go. That's 6 Doom variants this week. This is the last book for Marvel. The Campbell variant, 1 in 25 incentive. I'm pretty sure we'll see some more Doom variants next week. The 1 in 100 incentive. Okay, on the Image, the Deviant, number 8. Keeping it real. Free Agents, number 4. Hyde Street, number 1, cover A. A few covers for this one. Cover B. Here is the C cover. I think we got one more for this one. The D cover. Look at that kid. What the hell? I hate Fairland. Tired of it. Number 16, cover A. What is this? Happy something? I don't know. Cover B. King Spawn 18, cover A and cover B. Was this delayed from last week? Maybe it came out, but I think it got delayed. Okay, Red Coat, number 6, cover A and cover B. Red Coat. Savage Dragon, number 272, cover A and cover B. Got one more for this one. Cover C. Savage Dragon, inching up to that 300 mark. Spawn 357, cover A and cover B. The River Styx. Is that what that's supposed to be? Probably. The Walking Dead Deluxe, number 98, the A cover. The B cover, we got one more, don't we? The C cover, I think there's actually one more. I'm missing one. Godzilla Rivals one shot, cover A and cover B on the IDW now. How about another Godzilla book? Godzilla Skate or Die, number 4, cover A and cover B. Used to play that Skate or Die game all the time. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Night Watcher, number 2, the cover A and the B cover. I believe that's it for IDW. Let's move on to a Boom. The Creeping Below, number 1, cover A. This looks kind of neat. Cover B just in time for the month of Halloween, right? Ranger Academy, that's still around. Number 11, cover A and B. Barfly, number 3, the A cover and the B cover on to Dark Horse Comics now. Nemesis Rogues Gallery, number 3, cover A and cover B, Mark Millar. Christopher Chaos Halloween Special, cover A and cover B. Still has that coat, doesn't he? Apparently. Space Usagi, number 1, cover A and cover, I believe that's number 1. Cover B for that one. Space Usagi. The Rider, number 4. Just one cover for the Rider. That's all you get, buddy. Absolute Power, not number 1. Number 4. Cover A and cover B. Sorry. Little typo there. Do me a favor. Check out Comics on Coffee. You guys all know what I'm going to say. They got coffee there, like Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Aquaman now. And use the code Bueller to save 15%. Comics on Coffee is actually going to be at New York Comic Con as well in the month of October. I believe it's the 20th, that weekend or something like that. So go to their booth. They got free coffee for you and coffee to get. And check it out. It's really good. And they got the Ghost Roast coffee. They got the Lord of the Rings coffee. All sorts of coffee, man. You never know what they're gonna have. Batman number 153, cover A, and they got that McFarlane Batman bag. I need to get a hold of that one. I don't know if that's an exclusive at cons or something, or if it's on their website, but go check it out. It's the McFarlane cover that McFarlane did for Batman back in the day, with the air on it. It's pretty cool. 15% off. Use code Bueller. You guys know what to do. Okay, cover F, Batman. Cover G. Look at this cape. Birds of Prey. Number 14, cover A. Cover B. That's kind of cool. I like that one. Cover C. Cover D. That's a Halloween one. Cover F, they got a lot of these, or cover E, that is, a lot of those white ones on the background, plain white background. It's kind of cool. All in special number 1, cover A and cover B. Gonna go all in, huh? Might as well. Cover C. I bet you cover D is something different, right? I don't know. Cover E, the logo. That's another one of those ones they spare no expense on. Cover F. At least they go back to the old logo. I like that. Creature Commandos, number 1, cover A and cover B. Cover C for that one. I believe there is a D cover. It looks just like that, but black and white one. Last Crisis, number 1, cover A. I don't know if this is like a joke book or something. Cover B. I don't know much about this one, so cover C. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments down below. Justice Society of America, number 12, the A cover, and the B cover. That's a kind of a busy looking cover, but I kind of like it. Speaking of busy, cover C, not a fan of that one. Cover D, there you go, one of those kind of plain backgrounds with just one character. Multiverse Collision Detected, number 2, cover A and cover B. This is the one that has like Bugs Bunny in it and stuff like that. There you go, Bugs Bunny and Batman hanging out, doing dumb things. My Adventures with Superman, number 5, cover A and cover B. Good time to be had by all. The Nice House by the Sea, number 3, cover A and cover B. Anyone reading this one? Let me know in the comments, because I got the Nice House by the Lake one. Here's the C cover. If this one's any good, let me know. I'd like to maybe pick it up. Plastic Man, number 2, cover A and cover B. I don't know. There is a subtitle to this, but I can't remember what it was. What's that new Plastic Man book? Poison Ivy, number 26, cover A. There's a car honking outside my door. Cover B, sorry about that if you heard that. That's a prison cover. Cover C. Don't be honking at me. I've been parked here for like 6 hours. Cover D. Cover E. Cover F. And cover G. I believe that's an incentive cover. Shazam! Number 16. Cover A and cover B. Here is cover C. One more for this one. There you go. That just plain white background, one cover. There you go. Cruel Universe, number 3, cover A and cover B. This is my Oni press. That's right. Skin Police. Looking forward to this. Number 1, cover A and cover B. I've always wondered what the Skin Police do. Now you get to find out. Speaking of Skin Police, Nippy, number 1. I'm sorry. Crow, number 1. ECPD, number 1. Okay, we're almost done. Conan, Battle of the Black Stone, number 2. Just let the stone go. Something still crawled out. Number 2, cover A. Cover B, you need to get that checked out by Nippy. Maybe they can take care of that for you. Mammoth, number 4. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you saw something you liked. Like I said, about 200 books. Tons of good stuff. Tons of good Dynamite stuff. Of course, we're going to say that because look at what's behind me right there. Dynamite. Do us a favor. Like I said, we are doing the claim sale on Thursday, tomorrow at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We got some great books, some incentives. I've already kind of saw them since I'm here at Dynamite. They're getting the stuff ready for us tomorrow. Our comic shop spotlight of the week, brought to you by Blackbox Comics, is Heroes Comics here in New Jersey. I haven't been there yet, but I've heard some good things, so I'm gonna go check it out. Do me a favor, if your shop doesn't carry Blackbox Comics, go ahead and tell them they should, because you can order them in Previews Magazine, or just go to blackboxcomics.net, enter the code Bueller, and you save 10%. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little bit of tour. I can't give away too much, because you know what, this is the crazy, insane secrets behind the scenes here at Dynamite. So anyway, but that's where I'm at today. My buddy Alex is here. Amy is here. She's in the background. I was just hanging out with her. She's awesome. Alex is okay. We actually hung out the other day at the Baltimore Comic-Con. And you know what? It's going to be a good time because I'm going to be here for a few days. And Nick is not here, but he's on his way. And then that one guy, Rex, he called in sick. He called in sick. Yeah. Can you believe that? That's the way that guy is. Anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to live your best life. You know what to do. I'll see you next time. Bye.